Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could download and install the .NET Framework development package. To begin, simply click and open your browser and type www.microsoft.com. On the search bar, type .NET Framework Developer Pack and hit enter. Once here, click on Install the .NET Framework Developer Pack or Distributable. Here, click on Installation Choices. At this level, choose which version you want. You will find several, so choose the one which suits you the most. As a next step, click on the developer pack to download it. It will be automatically downloaded. You will need to wait a few seconds, up to 1 minute, and then you will be able to proceed with the installation. Then click to open the download folder, right-click on the file, and run as administrator. Windows User Control Account will ask you if you really want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You can always click yes and go ahead. After that, just click I agree and install, and the installation process will start automatically. Once the installation completed, you will be prompted to restart your computer as usual so that the changes take effect. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.